Hello and welcome to this first lecture of the first section where we're going to give you a quick overview of how can you use AI for project planning excellence. So in this section we will help you learn and give a snapshot of how will you use AI for project planning, and that's what we will start talking about in this lecture. So, how do you think you can use AI for excellence in project planning? Any thoughts? Anything that you know? AI can be a powerful tool for analyzing project timelines, allocating resources, and identifying bottlenecks. Now, how does AI help managers prioritize tasks and use resources more efficiently? Let's take a look at as we go forward. So AI tools, use historical data, current project status, and predictive models to evaluate and optimize the timelines. And there are few techniques that they use to analyze project timelines. The first one is predictive scheduling, where machine learning models forecast delays based on the past performance, task dependencies, and external factors like supplier delays or weather. The second useful technique for analyzing project timeline is critical path analysis, where AI identifies the most important tasks that could delay the project if not completed on time. And the third one related to analyzing project timelines is what if simulations, where AI simulates changes to the schedule, like adding resources or anything else that happens in the schedule, and show how it impacts the overall timeline. An example of this would be, analyzing project timelines will be Microsoft Project with AI-based scheduling, ClickUp AI or Smartsheet with AI integrations would be an example of a tool that you can use to analyze the project timelines. So the second thing that AI does in project planning is to optimize resource allocation. Now, AI helps dynamically match the right people and tools to the right tasks. And for that, it does three things. One, it does what is called skills matching, where AI matches tasks with team members who have the right skill sets. Second, it detects underutilized or overburdened team members and redistribute the tasks and balances the workload. Third thing it does it forecasts the needs, resource needs. It predicts future resource needs based on the project planning and past project data. An example of using this would be a resource planning AI tool that could suggest reallocating a UI designer from a low priority project to a critical launch sprint, right? So that's how AI can optimize resource allocations. The third way AI does help in project planning is in identifying the potential bottlenecks. AI can analyze patterns and warn of risk before they turn into real problems. And it does again in terms of three key things. It detects the real-time bottleneck by monitoring project velocity and dependency, and it flags tasks that are at a risk of delay, real time. Second thing, it detects complex dependencies that may slow down the project and maps these dependencies ahead of time and tells you where the complexity is. The third thing it does is it detects anomalies, uses past data to detect unusual delays, task duration, and collaboration issues. And an example of an output of identifying potential bottlenecks could be that AI suggests to you that time task B is delayed by 3 days. It's blocking task C, which impacts delivery milestone on June 30. So that's a real-time identification of a potential bottleneck. Fourth way AI can help in project planning is by prioritizing tasks for maximum efficiency. AI can help project managers decide what to work on best, and it can do that by few things like impact scoring, where it ranks tasks based on the impact on goals, deadlines, and client satisfaction. It also tells you urgency and importance, combination. It recommends tasks that should be prioritized using smart matrices like Eisenhower's or Moscow models of urgency and importance, and focus on most urgent and most important tasks. And it gives you automated alerts. It triggers real-time alerts for high risk, high value tasks. So that's the fourth way. The fifth way AI can help in project planning is using the dashboards and decision support that is AI powered. And there are three things it can do there. You can use dynamic dashboards where tools like Power BI or plus AI or Tableau GPT present real-time progress updates with intelligent insights. Second thing it can do is natural language summaries. Tools like NLG, natural language generation, summarizes project status for executives. So it gives you the summary. And third thing it can do is do the scenario planning, where AI can help simulate multiple project execution paths, multiple, and recommend the most efficient one. So it can do the scenario plan. Let's take a look at some real world tools that can do this. So there is Asana Work Graph plus AI, where the task, which can do the task prioritization and timeline prediction. Then there is Reiki with, work intelligence, where AI can do the, for workload and bottleneck alerts. It can alert you on the excess workloads and bottlenecks. The, the third one is Smartsheet plus resource management, where predictive analytics can be done for team utilization. And then there is Monday.com and AI Assistant, where you can do task automation and forecasting. And the last one we mentioned here is the ClickUp API AI that suggests improving project speed and alignment. So these are some real world tools that can help you do excellence in project planning using AI. Let's take a look at an important tip for you. You need to begin by integrating your AI with your existing PM tools via APIs or built-in AI assistants. And there you begin with project timeline forecasting, team utilization dashboards, and weekly AI-generated risk reports. So that's how you can do implementation in a professional manner. So what do we do next? So we will start looking at the case studies of AI helping build excellence in project planning. And here we have three well-known case studies where has significantly improved project planning execution and helped organizations achieve excellence in timelines, resource allocation, and risk management. So that's what we will take a look at in next three lectures in this section. So thank you so much for watching this first overview lecture in this course, AI for Project Planning Excellence. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions, and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.